And today we're going to talk about the 3 top exercises that you can do to strengthen up those abdominal muscles and the rest of those core muscles to help you be strong, functional, and keep that back pain at bay. So first exercise we're going to talk about is the pull-off press. You can use a band, or if you have a pulley system, you can always use that too. But you want the band at about chest height. Step away from the band so that you've got resistance. Hips are pointing straight forward, as well as the band pointing straight forward. And the goal for this one is to try to use those obliques and those other abdominal muscles to keep you from rotating as you press that band forward. So it's just a nice straight press forward, a nice soft bend in the knees, and again, those hips are pointed straight forwards so that you're really using all of those muscles right along the core. The second exercise we're going to talk about is the bridge. And that one is going to be done lying straight down on the back. And you want to set your position first. So the key thing to think about here is the neutral spine. So you want to arch the spine as much as you can, flatten the back as much as you can, and then find that spot right in the middle. And that is your neutral spine. And everybody's spine position is a little bit different. So try to get away from the thought process of you have to flatten your back right down to the floor, because everybody's body is built a little bit differently. So once you find that neutral spine position, hold that position. Think about pulling that belly button just slightly in to activate into those lower abdominal muscles. Squeeze right into those butt muscles. And then you're going to lift the toes right up off the ground. This helps to keep the butt muscles activated and take some of the pressure off of the hamstrings. A lot of times people have much stronger hamstrings than they do butt muscles. We want to try to get those hamstring muscles to stop working as hard. So again, once everything is activated, hands stay right down on the ground, squeezing into that butt again, and then you're going to lift right off the ground. And notice everything is nice and neutral and level, so that I'm not arching the spine, I'm not rounding the spine, but everything is lifting up right at the same time. And then again, lowering right back down to the ground. 10 to 15 repetitions of each of these exercises is a great place to start. And all of these exercises can be done every day and done safely. The third exercise is going to be actually on the side, and it will be done on both sides. When you lie right on your side, you're going to straighten your legs out. And to know you're in the right position, you'll look down at your feet, and you should just be able to see your toes. If your legs are too far forward, you'll be able to see all your feet. And most people, when they do this exercise, tend to put their feet a little bit too far forward. So again, we want to stay nice and in line with that spine. So look down towards those feet, just see those toes. Have a little bit of space from your torso to the floor. I call it your cupcake test. So you want to make sure that there's enough space underneath there so that you're not smushing into your little cupcake. Hand is resting right on top of the legs, again nice and lightly, or right onto the floor. And then from this position, don't move those hips forward, but bend those knees. And then you're ready to start the exercise. So bottom leg stays right down on the ground, foot stays exactly where it is, and then that top knee lifts right up. Be careful when you do this one that you don't roll backwards. A lot of times I will see people roll right on back. So it doesn't matter how high you lift, that's not the goal. You want to lift as far as you can without rolling out of that position. And again, 10 to 15 repetitions. And all of these exercises will work all of those core muscles. Your abdominal muscles, your hip muscles, and your butt muscles. All of those muscles help to make your spine nice and strong and keep that back pain away. This is Dr. K from Momentum Physical Therapy and Fitness. Thanks for tuning in today.